We shall deal with the essay Dream Children, a Reverie by Charles Lamb. The lifespan of Charles Lamb is from 1775 to 1834. He was an essayist and his pen name was Elia. This chapter, Dream Children, is from his collection Essays of Elia. And then a reverie. Reverie means a daydream. So in this chapter, it's shown that he is telling the story of the great grandmother to his children, and then at the end we understand that he doesn't. It's not even their children, his children. It's just his dreams that he is seeing all this, and it was all a dream. So in the beginning he says how children are interested to hear stories, and then he says how his children John and Alice want to hear stories, and then he told the story about the great grandmother field and lots of description about that house, that mansion was being told, and about the nature around it were being said, and how they used to spend time in that nature, it's being said. And then it's also said about Charles Lamb's brother John, and how he was the very much favorite of the great grandmother, and how he was different from them all. Like he used to tame the most mad horse also. He used to tame, however bigger the horse used to be, he used to go for hunting, and he was different from all of them. And then Charles Lamb is said to be lame-footed, and then he says that this children's uncle, that is Charles's brother John, he is also he also became lame-footed because he had cancer, and then his leg got amputated. Then the children felt so sad hearing about the uncle, and they say something about the mother, and then he says that it took him 7 long years to court her, and then she was very modest, she was not willing to accept and all. Then her mother's name was also Alice, and then she looked, at that point he felt like so much resemblance with the daughter. He could not even make out whether it was his wife or his daughter. So that much resemblance was there, even in the face and even with the hair. Then suddenly he felt like the children's images are fading away, and then there is a speech saying that they are no more, they are not the children, they are just dreams. And then he wakes up to find himself in the armchair with Bridget nearby, probably the maid. And then it's also said that the brother John L, who is James Elia in reality, is already dead and gone. And then there are also references when this great grandmother, it's said about the great grandmother field, she used to stay in a big house, a mansion 100 times bigger than their house. She used to stay there in a single room, and then she used to see spirits and all, and then she never used to be afraid of the spirits. And how Charles Lamb, when he was young, he used to be very much afraid, and he used to sleep with the maid because he was very small then, and then because of the fear, but then he never saw the spirits. And all these things are what we deal in this chapter. And when it ends, it said that those two were not even his children, those were just his dreams. So the name is given as Dream Children, a Reverie. So it's all about a daydream. So I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.